Are you looking to start and run a successful credit restoration business? If the answer is yes, you're at the right channel. You see, back in the day when I first started my credit restoration business, there wasn't a lot of training when it comes to credit repair, lead generation, getting customers, or running the credit repair business. So what I decided to do is I decided to learn everything I could about this industry. And this is why I created this channel. You see, in this channel, you're going to learn different things such as disputing, credit repair, running your credit repair business, the business of it, the legal part, the compliance part, and also lead generation. You see, I post every single Thursday a new video. So you're going to see a new video from me every single Thursday. Now, all you have to do right now is click the big red button anywhere around this video that says subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification icon so every single time I go live, you get notified. Until then, I want you to enjoy all of the videos I already have in the channel.